make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everyone, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today as always. Today I'm coming at you with my Disneyland Paris haul and I am so excited. So excited. I went to Disneyland Paris on the 13th of August for 3 days with Holly, and the vlogs have been put up already, so if you guys haven't seen them, please go and give them a watch. They were all on my channel, ready to be enjoyed by you guys, so go and give those a watch after this video. We had an incredible time. Obviously the day we left, the whole quarantine rules changed, so I did stay indoors quarantined for 14 days, which was really hard, especially after being let out of quarantine for a long time. It was really hard to go back into quarantine, but we did it. We got there in the end. Before I get into this video, I would just like to say, please do subscribe if you're not already, because I would love to hit 9,000 subscribers and it would make my day. I've had a really bad month apart from going to Disney, so it would make my month if you guys would subscribe and join my corner of the internet, because 50.4% of you are not subscribed, so please subscribe. It's free and it would make me incredibly happy, and I just would love for you to join my corner of the internet. So once you've done that, you can also put on the notification bell, which is just down below, so you guys never miss a video, because a lot of the times YouTube does not put every video on your subscription page. I don't know if that's just mine, but yeah, so do hit that notification bell if you haven't already. And without further ado, I'm gonna jump right in. I've got myself an iced coffee, so let me know down below what you guys have got to drink, whether that be a tea, a coffee, a juice, an alcoholic beverage, let me know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. Also, before I begin with the haul, I would just like to apologise about my hair. I am trying to leave it more natural because I do want to grow it. However, it does look a little bit like a bird's nest today, and I don't know why. I think I dried it weird. I'm not really sure, so please do excuse the bird's nest on my head. I know it's gross. So this time in Disney, I didn't really buy that many things, I don't think, especially comparing it to previous trips. I didn't buy any Spirit jerseys, I know, big shocker. I didn't buy any clothing items, but I did buy pins, a plush, ears and a lanyard, so I'm going to share them all with you because they've got some really amazing things out at Disney at the moment, but it just wasn't loads of things I needed to buy, if that makes any sense. I'm going to stop rambling and I'm just going to show you what I bought, so let's go. So as you guys could probably imagine, I have got an annual pass at Disney. However, all my lanyards were full of pins. They were absolutely chock-a-block full, so I had to get a new one, and this I believe is one of their new kind of spring summer ones. It's Alice in Wonderland. It's so cute. It's got the flowers on it and it's got the cat on it and the Mad Hatter and the teapots, and I just love it. I think it's so nice and I love the colours, and I am debating on not putting pins on this one and just using this all the time, but I have got more pins this time, so I don't really know where they're gonna go. But yeah, I got a lanyard and I believe this was £9.99, but obviously I got my annual pass discount, which made it about €8.90 or something. I'm not really sure, but yeah, not that expensive, and it's really cute, so I love that. Next, moving on to pins, I actually bought 5 of them. So the first one I bought was this Ariel pin. Now I have got an Ariel pin, but it isn't this one, so I really wanted to pick this one up. I really like it. I like the way her hair is. I like the way her tail looks. I just think it's stunning. I really like it. It's just really pretty, and this one was a green, which means it was €6.99. Obviously, again, I get my discount, but that's the price without discount, and I really love this one. So pretty, and yeah, Ariel's my fave, so I needed to get that one. The next 2 pins I bought are from a recent collection which came out not so long ago, and I believe it's like a spring flower collection. I'm not really sure. It's just characters with flowers, and the first one I got was this one, which is the Pascal pin from Tangled on a really lovely lily, I believe. So it's so cute. This one is orange, and I believe that was £8.99, I think. So it was either £7.99 or £8.99. But absolutely love this. I love the new collection. I could have bought them all. There was a Thumper and a Cheshire Cat one, which I loved, but I needed to be sensible, so I got this one and I absolutely love it. So that is the first one I got from that collection. And the next one I got from the collection was this one. This is the Raja pin, obviously from Aladdin. I just really loved the contrast of the blue and the orange. I just think it looked really, really cool, really, really different. And again, this was a orange colour, so £7.99/8.99, so not too bad. But again, I just love it. I think it's so pretty, so I've got that one as well. And as we were leaving on the Saturday, they actually released 2 brand new Lilo and Stitch pins. So obviously I had to get those as well. And the first one is a really adorable Stitch pin who is sleeping on a little pillow, and I just think it was so cute, so I had to get that one. Again, orange, £7.99/8.99, but these are very, very new, so if you haven't got these, they're probably still available, but yeah, really, really love that one. And the second Lilo and Stitch pin was this one. This is a really cute one of Lilo with her little Stitch drawing with Stitch, and it's just so cute and different, and I really liked it. And again, this was orange, so £7 or £8.99, and just adorable. I love the Stitch pins. I think they're really, really cute, so yeah, got that one too. And before moving on to the ears that I bought, because as you guys know, I'm a little bit obsessed with Disney ears. If you've seen my Disney ear collection, then you will definitely know this, but I found some more, obviously. However, before going into that one, I have this obsession with buying plushes, but only when I'm in Disney. I feel like I don't really buy them every day or anything like that. However, I saw this one and I had to buy it because it was made with that same material as the kind of cuddly toy ones, if you know what I mean. So it was really, really soft, and I just had to buy him because he was so cute. Yes, he did cost €30, however I did get discount, but he was just too adorable not to, and I felt like I just deserved a little treat, so I bought him, and that is this Thumper. He's so cute. He takes pride and joy on my bed. He is literally the softest material ever, and I just really, really like him. My dad has a Thumper as well. He keeps him in the garage with his cars, so I thought I needed one because I don't have a Thumper yet, and he's just really squishy and really soft, and he's just very comforting, and I love him so much, so had to get one of these because he is adorable. I was looking to get another one of the Cuddles like toys. You can get a lot more online. They have a Sully one and a Rex one, which I'm obsessed with, but they didn't have them in Disney, and I didn't really like the Pua one because it wasn't very soft. However, this one caught my eye, so they have got small toys now with the same material, so if you like the soft material, this is a good one to go for. I also picked up my boyfriend Ryan a mug, which was the classic Disney mugs with the letters on. Really, really cute, love that. And also I picked up a few things for my nan, which I won't show because they're gifts for somebody in case they watch this video. So now moving on to ears, which is very exciting. The first pair that I have here is this one. Now I know what you're thinking, like, these are huge. Yes, they are. So I got these originally because I was going to wear them with my second day outfit, which was just a black dress, white top sort of mini situation. But I ended up just wearing my classic ears because it was so hot, and these just wouldn't fit in my backpack. So I don't really know why I bought these, apart from the fact that I am obsessed with ears. So I had to get myself a pair. They're really cute. They're a little bit different, a little bit garish, and I just really like them. I believe without discount, these are about 23 or 24 euros. So they're kind of expensive, but they are quite different. So if you're into your quirky kind of ears but you want something different, these are really cool, so love those. The next pair of ears are a pair that I've actually really wanted for a really, really, really long time. However, they never had them in Disneyland Paris. It was more of a Disney World or Disneyland California type situation. However, they have released them in Paris, and they are these ones. Now these are stunning. They are the silver ears with the gold bow and the castle in the middle. Obviously each castle is different, so California and Florida have different castles on theirs, but I saw these and was like, I need them straight away. To be honest, Holly actually spotted these out, and I was just like, I need them right now, because I didn't notice them at all. So thanks, Holly, if you're watching. I am very thankful for your eyes because I wouldn't have got these. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I love them so, so much, and they literally go with everything because they're silver and gold. So yeah, love those. And the last pair of ears are actually from a collection which was released very, very, very recently. I think it was maybe released a few days probably before we went, because they only released the backpacks while we were there. So very excited with these, and they are these ones. I believe it's the Alien range. I can't quite remember what the range was called, but these are basically really amazing royal blue ears with the lime green bow, and they look sick. Don't they look cool? Like, I am obsessed with these. I think that for Halloween, if you wanted to go as the aliens from Toy Story, this would look unreal. So I had to get these as well, and I just really like the colour. So 10 out of 10, big fan of those. And I believe price wise these were, I want to say about 20 euros. I can't quite remember, but I can't remember. That's really bad, isn't it? Maybe 20 euros, something like that, but obsessed, love them. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Like I said, I didn't go too crazy, I feel. There were definitely a lot of things I could have bought that I didn't buy, so let me know down below your favourite thing that I bought, and if there's anything you've seen that you really want to get your hands on, let me know down below and we'll have a little chat in the comments. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe. It would make me incredibly happy. Definitely make my mood really, really boosted, because I've had the worst month ever. So yeah, have a fabulous day, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.